Gold and silver after a good run last week, trying to retrace a bit, and now silver close to $23 levels and gold at 1973. So what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start in this analysis. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels and trade as per the levels. First we'll look into the hourly chart. Now see, this block is important for gold here at 1980 and till 1965. This is a good block for gold. Again, if you see it trading above 1980 today, you can stay long. But then 1985, 1991, these two levels you should watch out for. Beyond that, gold is bullish again. So we have to watch out for 1980, 1991 levels. If these two are taken, certainly it is going to stay in a bullish momentum. So you can buy at 1980. Till 1980, we have to be watchful and cautious. Do not trade or do not enter a long entry till 1980 levels. Now on the downside, you can clearly see 1970 as a very good support. Earlier also we had seen that. But yes, if you are taking a sell entry at 1970, you should watch out for 1965 and 60. Now see, on the top side and on the downside, $10 cushion gold is keeping. It is trying to stay in 70-80. But then on the downside also, you can sell at 70. However, keep a trailing stop loss of $5 below 1960. We can see more bearishness there, which might take it further down. Now look at this, how it is traded on the hourly charts. See, this is still bullish. It has created a base here at 1940. Since then it has retraced. Now it was trading with the divergence on the 100 period exponential average, now trying to converge, and that is where it is trying to get the support. So again, possibly getting the support from these levels, it can try to retrace. So we'll watch out here how it behaves at 1970. Stochastic trying to look upwards. The MACD is bearish here. It is looking down. The RSI is also trying to act a little weak here. But let's have a look at the 2-hour chart. Now see, on the 2-hour charts, yes, there is a resistance at 1980. 4 candles consistently failing to break above 1980 levels. Now see, this has breached the support, trying to look downwards. I will wait for it to break past 1970, below which certainly little more bearishness will take it for 1965-60. But the net, do not consider this as bearish till 1960 and below that only further bearishness. So same levels, same observation on the 2-hour charts as well. The stochastic on the 2-hour charts is oversold and trying to recover a bit. The MACD here is divergent. It is bearish. The candle size is something I am looking forward to. Right now it is increasing. It is indicating that still there is little more bearishness. The RSI is looking down. If you look at 3-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 3-hour chart. See, increasing body size on the 3-hour charts, resistance there, and also it is failing to break past 1970, something I will look forward to. Only below 1970, but still do not consider this as bearish till the time it stays above 1960. Yes, you can sell there at 1970. However, keep your stop loss at your entry price and trade and wait for 1965 and then 1960. Please note, once it is not bearish and you know that there are supports downside, you have to put your stop loss at your cost price or your entry price, such that in case of a reversal your trade closes in profit, so or at without any loss. So this is how you can take a trade here for the day. And if you look at the stock as see, the MACD here is divergent, bearish. It is looking down. It is still scope for it to trade down, but look at the stochastic. This has come to oversold levels. The RSI is looking down, still showing slight weakness there. And likewise on the 4-hour chart, the resistance there at 1980, support at 70, below that further drop. And if you look at the complete movement here, see, first of all, support, rise, retracement, lower highs, top there, again trying to retrace. So this is still in the phase of consolidation. And if you draw the chart there, you will find that there are supports at 1960 on the downside. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD on the 4-hour charts is also bearish, looking down. But see, this is very close to the zero levels, and hence we have to still watch out how it behaves at around 1970. RSI looking down. And if you look at the daily, now see, look at the daily charts. The previous candle, a sharp bearish candle, it has dropped a bit. Now see the weekend candle or the market open candle here. You can find out there is kind of a push on the upside. This time it is failing to go past on the upside, trying to look down. But at the same time, couple of observations there. One must note that still we are looking at higher lows, still we are looking at lower highs, and still it is in the phase of consolidation. Still the time it stays above 1970, one should not consider this for a sell entry today. The stochastic is looking down, the MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell. This crossover is coming at a slightly higher levels, which can try to bring it down. See, it has completed the recovery from here to here. There could be a further pullback. And if you look at the RSI, this is also trying to act weak. Considering this, the trading is simple today. 70 and 80, do not trade below 70. Also, you can expect $5 trailing stop loss till 1960, and you have to trade with the stop loss at cost price, such that in case of a reversal, your trade closes without any loss. And at the same time, above 80 till 1980, above 80 1980 levels, you have to wait till 1991, only above which we can expect that 2000 levels will be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 10th of April. Reserve your seats now. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals group. Reach out to again the same IDs for details. Now look at silver. See, silver was trading. See, this was the breakout here from 20 to 60. Good rise, and then this was the bullishness here. It was trading bullish. This time it is trying to break out. But yes, still till $23 levels, till $23 levels, we should not be considering this as bearish. Only below 23. Furthermore, drop might take it till towards 2290, 2280, and I will be looking forward to specifically 2280 levels. Only and only if it trades below 2280, there should be a good confirmation for a sell entry. For silver, yes, you can sell at $23, but then you have to be very cautious and alert. At the same time, on the upside, 2320 my favorite, and then 2330. This zone is very important for silver. We'll try to find out much in detail here. See, the stochastic is looking down, the MACD divergent and bearish looking down, the RSI looking down, trying to act bearish. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, see, same on the 2-hour charts also, the 20 period moving average is giving it a slight support. So in fact, 2305 also you can sell, but then $23 is something I will look forward to. Below that, 2290, 2280 levels are the strongest support. Remember, only and only if it trades below 2280, there should be confirmation of a sell. The MACD divergent and bearish, the RSI also looking down, showing slight bearishness. Now look at the 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, see, higher lows, higher highs, still very much within the zone, and hence 2305 and $23. Wait for $23 to be breached, and certainly a good sell entry is confirmed. Stochastic looking down, the MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking down. RSI is also trying to look down, show you a slight bearishness. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, it appears it is already giving a breakout here, which is slightly a bearish indication. So yes, if it stays below 2305, you can sell, but most importantly, look for $23 to be breached, and then you can wait for 2290, 2280, and only below that further bearishness is confirmed. These levels at 2290 levels or 2295 certainly try to give it a little support. The stochastic is looking down. The MACD is also divergent bearish looking down here. The RSI is also looking down, trying to show a slight weakness there in silver. Now look at the daily charts. See, on the daily charts, higher lows, and on the, you can say, weekend candle, or the, you can say, pre-market candle, you can find out there was a slight pullback. Now again trying to break past this channel, which means there could be slight drop in silver, possibly below 23. Furthermore, bearishness will take it till towards 2280 and below level. But remember, 2280 very good support, and then 2260 levels will come into picture, the next strongest support. This is still a retracement, not a reversal. What it can achieve here is these levels at 2260, 2270 levels. Somewhere here it is going to get the strongest support for the day. Also, if you look at the stochastic, which was trading overbought, now trying to look downwards, the MACD is on the green side, trying to converge a bit. The RSI is also trying to look down. Considering this, yes, you can sell here at 2305 itself, but then 23, 2295 see 5 cents silver hardly matters, but yes, can't avoid it till 2280. We have got very good support. We have to be watchful of this, and hence yes, you can sell at 2305, and at the same time a buying entry about 2320 levels can be taken. Above 2320 you can wait for 2330 to be breached. Once it trades about 2330, stay long, and it is going to fly high again for 2350, and then above levels. I don't think so today. Possibly we may see a slight retracement. It may try to achieve 2290, 2280 levels. That is my expectation, but you have to still trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Just do not keep it open or put the stop loss at cost such that your trade closes in profit whenever it tries to reverse. Take your trades accordingly. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for more details on same. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.